Okay, you're going to shoot again, since you seem to be doing very well so far.
I think it's locked.
Yep. Make sure you pull the hammer back all the way when you're ready. I'll shoot our video from behind you this time.
I hit the box.
You did. Let's go see how you did. Good job, bud.
Well, I hit all through here.
Oh yeah, you sprayed the end real good. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll try it now.
Alright. Here we have... Oh. Alright, here we go. We have Dad, and he's about to shoot this box. Here we go. Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, we already know we sprayed it, so we'll just let you shoot again. You can pause.
Did you see the box move? I don't think it did.
Yeah.
It did?
Yeah.
It moved. Faux show. Well then, Junior, I'm done for.
You're recording now?
Yes.
Yeah, we did a pretty good number on the box, I think.
Wait. It's back.
You got it?
Yeah.
That was bird shot, so it tore it up pretty good. So you think we're ready for the dinosaur invasion when they come?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think we better get some bigger guns.
Mm-hmm.
That's all for now.
Bye!